Hey YouTube, it's On the Lot Journey 09. Today I'm going to show you how I achieve a retwist using oil and water. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned. For this retwist, I'm using a mixture of castor oil, jojoba oil, avocado oil, and grapeseed oil. I also like to add a few drops of an essential oil, and in this mixture I've added tea tree. I add the oils to the mixture in a proportion based on how viscous they are. So the more runny oils, grapeseed and avocado, make up the bulk of this mixture. Then I add the jojoba and castor, which are more expensive and a tad bit more viscous and sticky. Then I add just a little bit of purified water and I'm ready to go. I'm doing this retwist on freshly washed hair. And what I'm doing is I'm adding a little bit of my oil and water mixture, and then I'm separating out 3 locks. And then I'm taking each lock and I am twisting clockwise. I'm using a little bit of a mixture of a twisting and a palm roll method. I like to do 3 locks at a time and then braid them together so that they stay in place after I retwist. So I twist about 3 times at the root for each lock, and then I braid them together, and they tend to stay there and dry in that way. So I'm going to show the process one more time on another section of my head. I'm going to separate out 3 locks. Then I'm going to spray the root. I'm going to make sure that the roots are sufficiently moisturized because you don't want to twist on dry hair. That'll lead to breakage. And then I'm going to retwist each lock about 3 times clockwise. Look at all that new growth. Healthy, healthy, healthy. And then once I've twisted all 3 locks at the root clockwise 3 times, I'm going to braid the 3 locks together and then move on to the next section.
Hey. Hey. I finished my head.
So after about 45 minutes to an hour, here's the finished product.
So I tied my hair down for about half an hour while I was on the phone with my mom, and my edges should be laid. This is again a retwist just with oil and water.
So that's just a regular retwist. I didn't do my edges very tightly. I haven't been prepared for any special events, so I like to let my roots breathe a little bit. But folks generally like to ask me how I maintain my hair. When I tell them it's just oil and water, they look at me like I'm crazy. So I made this video to show them that yes, indeed, it is just oil and water that keeps my hair